Hello. Hello, Joanna. Hello, Joanna. Am I audible?
Yes, but I'm hearing some background sound. I don't know.
From here.
Yeah.
Background noise are here. 1 minute. Hello, Joanna.
Yes, but like
Is it okay?
some kind of small sound like like it's like beeping in your background. When you unmute it's gone, but when you're muting it.
Okay, let me check whether it is there if someone else is also joining. Okay. I don't think that actually no sort of noise is here and I don't know why it is so. Okay, let's check it in anyway. And are you feeling it like very disturbing?
No, but like I can't hear your voice clearly.
Hello, hello.
Hello?
Is it okay now?
It's okay, but like it's like
Okay, let someone else also join so that let's see whether they are also feeling the same thing. Okay, here
okay.
no kind of background noise is there, and also I was taking class till now. Issues were not there. Now I don't know. Yeah, turn on the camera. Yes, good evening, Joanna. Good evening, and welcome to 90 plus double power tuition, the world's first learning assurance morning. Okay, so yes, before
Okay.
getting into the session, let me just tell you something about the double power model. So in double power model, initially you will be having a concept oriented session which is followed by a workout session. Okay, so whatever are the topics that we are learning in the concept session, we will be discussing problems based on that on the workout session so that you can apply whatever you have learned during the concept day on your workout session, then it will be easy for you. Okay, and your learning process has been completed here. So that's it. So we are already done with the day one concept session, and I have a bit issue with the cold. Still, I'm not okay. So if you are feeling some difficulty to follow regarding my voice, you can ask that. Okay, yeah. So yes, that's it. And you are not there in the day one concept, I think, right?
Yeah.
What happened? Yeah, you didn't attended the day one concept day, no? I was asking like what happened. It was on Saturday, I think.
I don't remember.
Okay, anyways, let's move on to the today's session. So we can have a quick recap on whatever we did in the day one concept session. So we were discussing the importance of exponential variation. Okay, like if something is varying exponentially, the change will be so quick. Okay, and then if we have an exponential notation, I hope you are able to see my screen. If you have an exponential notation like this, a raised to m, this is known as the base and this is the exponent or power. Clear?
Okay.
We have discussed a few laws of exponents as well. One was like a raised to m into a raised to n. This is equal to a raised to m plus n. Okay, the alphabets everything can differ, but still the essence is if the bases are same and the exponents are different, and if we want to multiply between, we have to just add in between the powers, that's it. And likewise we have discussed a raised to m whole raised to n, that is power of a power property as well. It was like a raised to m into n. Clear? So these were the main properties that we have discussed in the last class. And since you were not there in the last class, if you want, the recordings of the previous session will be available. You can get it from your class teacher and you can just go through that. Clear? Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, Joanna, where are you from basically?
Kerala.
Where in Kerala?
Alappuzha.
Alappuzha. Okay. In the last class, actually, few 4-5 students were there. But now no one has joined. I don't know why. Maybe they'll join. Okay, let it be. We can just start with our session. So basically, in workout session, you might be knowing. We will be like giving questions to you. You are supposed to answer for that. If you are not getting it, we will discuss it over here. That's how we are going to conduct the session. So here comes the very first question for you. The question is like, what is the term for multiplicative growth as described in the paper folding example? So since you were not there in the last class, I'll just explain what was that paper folding example. Okay. You just take one paper, you just fold it. Okay. Initially, if the thickness was say 0.01 millimeter or something like that, if you are folding, it will get increased. As you are folding, like once if you are folding, 2 times it is. Again, if you are folding, there you can see an exponential growth. Okay. So here the question is like, I have already told the answer. What is the term for multiplicative growth as described in the paper folding example? That is the question given to you. So what will be the probable answer for that?
Exponential growth.
Yes, it is exponential growth. That is option A. About the next question. In the exponential form 5 raised to 4, what does the number 4 represent? I am giving you a couple of seconds. You can write your answer. Then we will discuss it over here. Okay.
Is it the exponent?
Yes.
Power.
Exactly, it is the exponent or power. Okay, option B is the right answer. We have already discussed if we have a raised to m, like this, if we have some expression, this will be the power or exponent, and this is the base. So the question is about the exponent. Answer is the exponent or power. Good. Next is this question. What general rule is established for multiplying exponents with same base, like n raised to a into n raised to b? Which one is the correct option over there? That you need to find out. So write down your answer.
Is it
Tell me
a
if
B
you-
option? Option B, n raised to
n raised to a plus b. Yes, we have already discussed. That is, I told you it in this form. That is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Instead of n and m over here, they have given a and b, and instead of a, they have given the n. That's it. So n raised to a into n raised to b will be equal to n raised to a plus b. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So we can move on to the next question. Here comes the next question. 81 can be expressed as. Actually, your camera went off. Turn it on. Yeah. Actually, if you are given with a number like this, we can go for its prime factorization and then we can represent it. Or else in terms of power, we can represent a particular number in many ways. Okay. So here your question is from among the options, which is the correct option regarding 81. So try doing that. You can tell me if you got the answer. In the last class, I think 3 or 4 were there. 3 to 5. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, what's the answer? Tell me.
3 raised to 4.
Very good. It is 3 raised to 4. Because we know that if we are multiplying 3 with itself 4 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is what do we mean by 3 raised to 4, right? So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. Answer is 81. So 81 can be expressed as 3 raised to 4. Very good. Here comes the answer for that. And about the next question. Express each of the following as a product of powers if they are prime factors in exponential form. Okay. This is yet another easy question. Yeah, try doing that. Just to prime factorize the number and express them in terms of their prime factors. If more than one prime factor is there, you can express it like that only. Can you please adjust the camera? Actually, yeah, sir. Okay. Let's discuss it one by one. If you are done with the first one, you can tell that. We will discuss it over here, whether it is correct or not. Then we will move on to the second one like that. Are you finished with the first one? That is 648.
No.
Make it fast.
Done.
Okay. Yeah. Now tell me what is the prime factorization of 648?
2 into 2 into
Yeah, just tell me the steps as well. Yeah, 648
by 2.
by
By
2.
2.
What you are? Yeah, what you are
3
getting?
324.
324. Very good. Then by 2.
162.
162. Good.
By 2 again. 81.
Yeah. Yeah.
81. 3 27. 3 again 9 and 3 then 1.
Good. So 648 can be expressed as
2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 4.
not like that. 2 cube into 3 raised to 4. Okay, you should call it like that, or else 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4. So 2 cube into 3 raised to 4 you can tell. Hope you got the same. Right. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is coming thrice. So 2 cube. 4 into 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is coming 4 times. So 3 to the power 4. Do the next one. 405. Tell me if you got the answer. Have you got the answer for second one?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, tell me. Yeah, Sancta has also joined. Good evening, Sancta. What happened? Why are you late? Okay, Santa, we have just started with the session. Okay, 405. Tell me, what was your name? Joanna. Joanna, tell me, yeah, the prime factorization of 405. Tell me.
First, you do it by 3, you will get
Okay.
135.
Very good. Then,
Again, by 3, you will get 45.
okay.
Again, by 3, you will get 15.
Okay.
Then again, by 3, you will get 5.
Then,
Then again, by 5, you will get 1.
okay. So 405 can be expressed as
3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 1.
good. Very good. Okay. Then we can move on to the next one. That is 540. So Sancta, basically you need to express it in terms of prime factors. That's it. No, Sancta, I can't see you. Before your video was on. Now it is off. So turn it on. And also Joanna, now I can't see you. I don't know why. Joanna. Try to fix the issue, whatever it is. Okay. Even Sancta, now also I am not able to see you. I know your video is on now, but the thing is I can just see something was just closing the camera like that. Yes, Sancta, still I'm not able to see you. I'm just able to see a black screen only. And also for Joanna, I'm not able to see you, Joanna, now. I don't know what's the issue. Joanna, try to turn off your camera first and then again turn it off, please. Turn it on, please. Joanna?
Yes.
Yeah, please turn on your off your camera and then turn it on. It might work. And
I think
also for
my I think my screen is stuck. I can't see anything.
Oh my god. And for Sancta also, Sancta, if you want, you can try rejoining, I think. Okay, if any one of you got the answer for third one, that is the prime factorization of 540, you people can tell that. Tell me if you got the answer. Sancta's video is still like that only. Why it is so? I can't see both of you. I think Joanna's camera is off now. Yeah, you people try to do the question. I don't know why it is so. Both of you just try to keep your cameras on. Because it's like I can't see anyone. If you got the answer, you can tell. We can discuss it over here. Okay, Sancta and Joanna, you can speak. No, if you got the answer, you can tell that. Hello, Joanna and Sancta. Please respond. Joanna, Sancta. Hello, hello. Hello, Joanna. Please respond if you can hear me. Sancta?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Sancta.
Ma'am, I found the answer for the first one.
Oh, first one and second one we discussed already. And even, yeah, we are discussing the third one now. Try doing that.
Yes, ma'am,
Because the
I also
other...
did it.
Okay. Then tell me, the prime factorization of 540.
It is 2 into 2 into 3 into
Wait,
3.
wait. You can just tell me the steps of 540.
Yes, ma'am. And first we divide it by 2.
Okay.
Then we get 270.
Okay.
Then we again divide it by 2. And we get 135.
Huh.
And then we divide by 3. And we
Okay.
get 45.
Hmm.
And again divided by 3, we get 15. Then
Okay.
divided by 3, 5. Then 5, then 1.
Very good. So basically 540 can be expressed as 2 square into 3 cube into 5. You got the same, I hope. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. What about the next question? Have you done with the last one, 3600?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's discuss that now. So what is the prime factorization of 3600? Tell me.
Ma'am, first I did with 2.
Okay.
Then I did with, then I got 900. And
900? You should get 1800. Half of the 3000. Huh.
Yes, ma'am, I got the thing. I missed it. Ma'am, then I got 2. I did with 2 and I got 900. Then
Okay.
I did with 2 again and I got 450.
Okay.
I did it with 2, then I got 225.
Great.
And I
Then?
did it with 3, then I got 75. Then 325. Then I did it with 5, then I got 5. Then 5, then 1.
Okay. So basically 3600 can be expressed as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power. Tell me. 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. So this is how you should get it. Hope it is clear. Yeah, Joanna, now it's very clear. Your video is fine now. Okay. So is that okay for both of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next question then?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, here are the answers. Anyway, we did that. Okay, next question is this one. Write the given number as the product of 2 or more powers in 3 different ways. Okay. We have discussed already the power of a power property. So based on that, that is a raised to m all raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. We have discussed already. Right. So based on that, you can do these questions. You need to write 64 cube in 3 different forms. Likewise 19 raised to 28 as well. Okay, so I'll wait for 2-3 minutes and then we can check whether it is right or not. If you are not getting it, we will discuss it over here.
How should we do this? I don't understand this.
Okay, so we have discussed the power of a power property. A raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. We can make use of that property. If you are not getting it, okay, anyway, you were not there in the last class. So just wait, I'll explain. Sancta, what about you?
Doing.
Okay, do it. Joanna, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I did the first one.
Okay. How you did it? Tell me. Okay, we will discuss it over here right now. Okay, tell me how you did it.
64 is equals to 2 by 6, which is equals to 4 by 3. So we
2
can
by
write
6,
it,
2 raised to 6.
yeah.
Huh. 2 raised to
And
6.
so we can, which is equals to 4 raised to 3. So we
4
can
raised to
write it
3.
as, yeah. Then 4 into 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4. It's also
Okay.
equals to 64. So we can write it as 64 square, and then the first way is that 64 raised to 1 multiplied by 64 raised to 2. Now because
That is
1 plus 2 is equals to 3.
okay.
And
So
then,
okay. So you are telling like 64 raised to 1 into 64 raised to 2. So this is equal to 64 raised to 3. Yeah, that is a proper possibility. Then
the way 2 is like, it is base 4. It will become 4 raised to 4 multiplied by 4 raised to 5. Since like
4.
64 raised to 3 is equals to 4 raised to 3 the whole raised to 3. And it is equals
Hey,
to
that's
4
wrong.
raised
That's wrong. That's wrong.
That's
64 is actually 4 cube it is. Okay. 4 cube whole cube is a possibility. That is 4 raised to 9. Okay. Yeah. So just listen here. I'll explain it. I'm not making you much confused. So Joanna, also listen here. If you are feeling some doubt, you can ask. So 64 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to 6 times 2. If you are multiplying, you will get it as 64. So instead of writing 64 cube, you can write it as 2 to the power 6 whole cube, which is equal to 2 raised to 6 into 3, that is 2 raised to 18. Okay, or else you can write it like 2 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 8, because a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Next is 4 to the power 9, because 64 is actually 4 cube. Okay, 4 cube, the whole cube is also giving the same, that is equal to 4 raised to 9. Okay, that you can write like 4 raised to 4 into 4 raised to 4 into 4, because 4 plus 1 is 9. Next is 8 raised to 6, because 8 square is basically 64. That all raised to 3 will give you 64 cube. So that you can write like 8 cube into 8 cube. That will also give you 64 cube. Hope you people are clear with the first one explanation. Is that okay? Joanna and Sancta, is that fine? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And about the next one, 19 raised to 28 it is. We can write like 19 raised to 14 into 19 raised to 14, because 19 raised to 14 plus 14 it will be, that is equal to 19 raised to 28. Likewise 19 raised to 20 into 19 raised to 8 you can write. Why? Because 20 plus 8 is again 28. Next is 19 raised to 10 into 19 raised to 10 into 19 raised to 8, which is equal to 19 raised to 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28. So all these three are the possible cases. Okay, here why we are not able to make it in a power of a power property, because 19 is a prime number. Okay, only 1 and 19 are the factors, so we can make it in this form only. Hope you people are clear with this. Any doubt, Joanna or Sancta?
No.
Okay, fine. Then we can move on to one another question. Okay. So here comes the very next question. Find the actual values of these expressions. That is the question. We did similar questions in the last class, I think. So you need to write the real values of all these expressions. That's it. So try doing these questions. Total 5 questions are there. If you are done with that, you can tell. I'll give you 4 minutes. you people are done with this. Okay, I'll wait for 2 more minutes.
പറ്റില്ല അപ്പൊ വരെല്ലാം
Anyone finished? Joanna, Sancta, how many of you finished? Like how many questions have you finished? Please respond.
I'm not understanding the different digit question.
See, this is very easy only. Sancta, have you got the answer for the first one? Sancta,
Yes, ma'am.
have you got the answer for the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, this is 5 into 10 square, right? 5 into 10 square is 100. So 5 into 100 is equal to what? 500. Answer is 500. Next is 6 square into 2 cube. Sancta, what you got for the second one? Let me check whether it is correct or not.
Ma'am, 2 cube is equals to 8 and 6 square is equals to 36.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
what I'm doing.
Okay, make it fast. Joanna, I hope you are able to understand now. This is how you should do the question. Okay. 10 square means 10 into 10, which is 100. That you should multiply with 5 to get the answer for the first question. When it comes to the second one, 6 square into 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. 6 square is 6 into 6, which is 36. Just multiply 36 with 8. Yeah, you'll get that.
288.
Yes, it is. 288 is the answer. So the answer over here is 288. What about the third one? 4 into 3 raised to 4. Try doing that, both of you.
It is 324.
324 is the right answer. Yes, correct. 324, because it would be like 4 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right. So 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. 81 into 4, answer would be 324. Very good. Joanna, try to say the answer for the next one. When it comes to negative and if it is raised to some even number power, then the output will be positive. We discussed it in the last class. And if it is a negative number raised to the power of some odd number, the output will be negative. Okay. That also we have discussed in the last class. So everyone just try to answer for this, both of you. Anyone got the answer, Joanna or Sancta? Sorry?
$876.
876 you are saying. It's not 876, it's 576, no. See, negative 4 square means it is 16 only. It will be 16 only. Negative 4 into negative 4, it will be positive 16. Okay. Then negative 60 whole square will be equal to 36. So 16 into 36 would probably equal to 576 you are getting. Right. What about the last one? Negative 3 the whole cube into negative 2 all raised to 4. See, listen here, Joanna, since you were not there in the last class, please try to adjust your notebook first. I'm not able to see the video. Yeah, now it's fine. So just listen here in this particular question. I'll show you the difference when power is odd and power is even. Here the power is odd. So negative 3 whole cube means negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3 it would be. So negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3, all the three are negative. Negative of negative is positive, positive into negative is negative again. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, answer would be negative 27. When it comes to negative 2 raised to 4, it would be negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2. See here, negative of negative positive, again negative negative, again negative positive. So the output over here will be positive 16. So minus 27 into positive 16 will be the answer, which is equal to negative 432. I hope now you people can connect why when the power is odd the answer is becoming negative in the case of a negative number, and why when the power is even the answer is getting as positive even when the input was negative. Joanna, are you able to understand the same?
Yes.
What about Sancta? Sancta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, shall we move on to the next question then? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So here comes the next question. A jar contains 6 marbles. Each day, one more jar with 6 marbles is added. How many marbles will be there after 30 days? That is the question. Try to do that, everyone. Make it fast. Anyone of you got the answer for that? Hello? Again, Joanna, your camera is like that only now. I am not able to see you. Please try to fix it. Joanna, please try to fix your camera.
Okay, wait 1 minute.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
You got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss it over here. What about Joanna? Have you got the answer?
No,
Joanna?
ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Joanna. You didn't got the answer, right? Okay, what is the answer, Santa? Santa. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Santa.
Ma'am, it is 729000000.
No. See, a jar contains 6 marbles. Okay. Each day, one more jar with 6 marbles is added. How many will be there after 30 days? It would be 30 into 6, no?
30 raised to 6, right?
30 into 6, no?
30 into 6?
Yeah. 180 it would be.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
did 30 raised to 6.
Okay. Okay, we
I'm
can
sorry,
move
ma'am.
on to. Okay, no problem. We can move on to another question now. Yeah, convert the following into exponential form. You need to convert all these into exponential form. That is the question. It's very easy only. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. How can we write that, Joanna? In terms of exponents. Joanna, please respond. Hello? Am I
Yes, ma'am.
audible? Yeah, tell me, Joanna, how can we express 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 in terms of exponents? What about Sancta and Joanna? Please respond. Joanna, why you are not responding?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, Joanna, you are not. Yeah, 1 minute, Sancta. Yes, Joanna? Joanna left. Okay, Sancta, tell me the answer for the first question. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. How can we express it in exponential form?
Ma'am, 8 raised to 4.
Very good. What about the second one? Z into Z.
Z square.
Very good. The third one, 4 into 4 into 6 into 6 into 6.
Then 4 square multiplied by 6 cube.
Very good. 4 square into 6 cube. What about the next
Yeah.
one? M into M into M into M into M into G
Ma'am,
into G into
M
G.
raised to 5 into G raised to square. I mean
G
G
raised
square.
cube. 3G are there, right? So,
Yeah, G
M
yeah.
raised to M to the power 5 into G cube. What about the next one?
Next is 3 square into P square.
Very good. 3 square into P square will be the answer. Good. Yeah, those were the correct answers. Next question is this one. 5 books and 5 paper sheets are placed in a stack. Find the total thickness of the stack if each book has a thickness of 20 mm and each sheet has a thickness of 0.016 mm. So try doing this question and then we will discuss it over here. Yes, Joanna, what happened in between? I was keep on calling you and you left in between. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. You are on mute. Yeah, tell me, Joanna, what happened? Still you are on mute. Now
Can you
it's
hear
fine.
me?
Tell me. Yeah, now I can hear you.
Camera is getting stuck in between, so I can't hear. I can
Okay,
hear
now
you,
it's
but I
fine.
can't hear.
Okay. So yeah, try to do this question. Both of you. I'll give you 2 minutes to do this. It's enough.
Five.
Yes, anyone of you got the answer for that? Santa, Joanna, anyone? It's just a normal question only. Nothing much to think about that. Joanna, please respond. If I'm asking you something, try to respond, both of you. It's very...
Okay.
Okay, if you didn't got the answer, let's discuss it over here. See, thickness of one book is equal to what?
20.
Thickness of one book is equal to 20 mm. Then the thickness of one paper. What was the thickness of one paper?
0.016 mm.
0.016, that much millimeter. Okay, so thickness of 5 books will be equal to 5 into 20, which is equal to 100 mm. Likewise, thickness of 5 papers will be equal to 0.016 into 5. This is equal to 0.08 millimeter. Right? Again, total thickness of the stack will be the sum of these two. Total thickness of the stack will be equal to what? It will be the sum of these two, that is 100 plus 0.08, which is equal to 100.08 mm. Okay, this we can write like 100.08 into 10 square divided by 10 square. Why? Because here we need to, if we want to avoid this point, we are just doing, or else this is enough. We can just stop it over here. 100.08 millimeter will be the answer for this question. John and Santa, is that fine?
Yes.
Now some sort of sound is coming from your side, I think. I don't know, from some ticking kind of sound. Yeah, now it's there. Still it's there. I think from Joanna's side only. Yeah, now it's fine. When I turned off your mic, it went. I don't know what noise it is. Okay. Next is this question. If a newborn bear weighs 4 kilogram, calculate how many kilogram a 5-year-old bear weighs if its weight increases by the power of 2 in 5 years. Try doing this question, everyone. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Within that time, try to give me the answer. Its weight is varying like a power of 2 in 5 years. Initially it was 4. So what will happen after 5 years? What will be its probable weight after 5 years? That's the question. Again that noise is there, Joanna. I think from some fan or something like that. Okay, try to do this question, everyone. I'll give you 2 minutes. Make it fast. Anyone got the answer for this question? Actually, this much time is enough to do the question. Anyone got that answer?
No.
Okay, just listen here. Actually, weight of the newborn bear is 4 kilogram. Okay. Rate of weight increase in 5 years is a power of 2. So, after 5 years, the weight of the bear would be probably equal to 4 square. That is in powers of 2, it is getting varied. Okay. So, 4 square will be equal to 16 kilogram. The weight of the bear after 5 years will be 16 kilogram. That's it. Is that fine for everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do some extra questions. Okay. Anyway, we have some more time. We can do some extra questions. Just wait a minute.
Can you show me the other question? I did not see that question.
Which question?
A jar, something like that.
A jar question. Wait.
How do we do
I
it?
think it was this question.
Yeah. How do we do that?
Actually, a jar contains 6 marbles. Okay, each day 6 marbles is getting added. So, after 30 days, 30 into 6, that much marbles will be there. Okay, in some textbooks you can see it like already it is 6. then 30 days again it is coming, so 31st days, like that. The 31 in the 6 also you can see, if you can see in some textbooks. Okay.
Okay.
About the question, next I'll give you some extra questions on power play. Wait a minute, I'll give you some questions. Again, write in exponential form. First question is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Next is x into x into x into x. Next one is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Yeah, yes.
Is this
What?
extra question?
Yeah, these are all extra questions. Actually, the questions that we plan to do today are over already. And we have about half an hour remaining. So, we can do some extra questions from the chapter. It will be helpful for you. So, you can try doing these 3 questions. I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. Solve it, all those.
You have to write it in exponential form, right?
Yes, you need to write it in the exponential form. That's it.
Like we have to, like 5 raised to 4, like that we have to write.
Yeah, like that. Exponential form means like that only.
I'm done.
Okay. So, yeah, let's discuss it right here. Sancta, are you done with that? No response. Yeah, tell me then, Joanna, what will be the answer for this question? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5.
5 raised to 4.
Good, it is 5 raised to 4. Next is x into x into x into x.
X raised to 4.
It's raised to 4. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5.
3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to x square into 5 raised to cube.
3 raised to you should not tell. If you are telling square or cube, you can tell it like 3 square into
3
5 cube.
square.
No need of telling 3 raised to square like that. Okay. It would be 3 square into 5 cube. That's it. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Santa, hope you are there, because no response I am getting from your side. Okay, the next question is find numerical value of the following. The very first question is 7 raised to 4 into 3 square. So find the numerical value of that. That is, you need to do it like 7 raised to 4 means 7 you have to multiply with itself 4 times. Then 3 you should multiply 3 into 3. Then after multiplying all these together, what will be the answer? That is what you need to write. Okay. Do it, everyone.
First, we have to solve like 7 by 4 means like 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Then afterwards, we have to add both of them.
Yes.
Into both of them.
No, yeah. 3 threes are 9. That into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Whatever you are getting, that you need to do. Okay.
I
Like
got.
you can mute. You got the answer. Okay, what's the final answer? Sancta, are you there or not? Hello, Sancta. Okay, what's the answer that you got? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 7.
21,000.
Yeah, correct only. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 3. This is what you're gonna get. Okay, so this is equal to 2401 into 9, which is equal to, yeah, 21,609 will be the answer. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. Second question. Like this only, you have to find the numerical value. It would be minus 3 whole cube into minus 4 the whole square. Try doing the question.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Joanna, tell me.
When it's a positive and a negative, it comes negative, right?
Not like that. That's what I
When
told.
the
If you have some
number.
negative number and the power is odd number, then you will get a negative output. If there is a negative number to the power of an even number, you will get it as a positive number. Do it. Okay, anyone got the answer for this? Actually, this much time is enough to do the question. Santa,
I got.
please respond. Yeah, okay. Joanna, what answer you got?
432.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative it should be. See here it would be negative 3, the whole cube is negative 27 because it would be like negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, it should be negative only, so negative 27 you will get. That into negative 4 square is 16. Okay, negative 4 into negative 4 is 16. So negative 27 into 16 you are gonna get, that is negative 432. Answer is negative 432. That's it. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. That's how you are getting the negative, so don't forget it. Sancta, I don't know whether you are there or not. No response. Next is this question. 2 square into 10 raised to 4. To the question.
Is it 40,000?
The answer is 40,000. Very good. Sancta, I don't know whether you are there or not. 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 is what you are gonna get. So 2 2s are 4, that into 10,000 you will get, which is equal to 40,000. Answer will be 40,000. That's it. Next question is like this. Next is the fourth question in this. This is equal to negative 2 all raised to 4 into 4 square. Try doing the question.
Practice.
Have you got the answer? Joanna or
Yes.
Sancta, anyone? Yeah, what's the answer?
Yes. 128.
Wrong. See, minus 2 raised to 4 means it would be minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into 4 into 4. Okay. So it would be like negative 2 into negative 2 is negative 2 into negative 2 is 4. That into negative 2 into negative 2 is again 4. That into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16 you are getting. 4 4s are 16 you are getting again. 16 square is 256. So the answer is 256.
Okay.
Sancta, are you there or not? I'm not getting any response
Can you
from
hear
you.
me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Where were you?
Before when I unmuted and like tried to speak, I think you couldn't hear me.
Okay, okay. See, next question is like, write 81 all raised to minus 2 as a power with base 3. As a power with base 3. Try doing the question.
I'm not getting this questions. This the question.
What about Sancta? Are you getting it? Sancta? I'm not able to hear you, Sancta. Joanna, what's that sound? Okay, you can mute yourself. Actually, we can write 81 in terms of power of 3. Actually, 81 is 3 raised to 4. Whole raised to minus 2 we are getting. 3 to the power 4 is actually 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So 81 can be written as a power of 3. So 3 to the power 4 you are getting. That all raised to minus 2 you have. Okay, this is equal to 3 raised to 4 into minus 2 by power of a power property, which we can write like 3 raised to minus 8. Answer is 3 raised to minus 8. Is that okay now? Joanna? Okay. So the next question is, we know a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Here your question is minus 8 all raised to 5 minus 5 into minus 8 all raised to minus 2 is equal to what? You need to write it in the exponential form only by using the result given.
Should we change the base
Why you need to change
sign?
the base? No need of changing the base. You just use the identity a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. You can directly do that.
Or negative 8 raised to 7.
Negative 8 raised to 7 or negative 7?
Negative 7.
Negative 7 it is. It would be like negative 8 all raised to minus 5 minus 2, because minus 5 plus minus 2 minus 5 minus 2. It would be equal to negative 8 all raised to negative 7. That's it. I'll give one another question now. Write 2500 in terms of prime factors. In terms of prime factors. You need to just do the prime factorization of 2500 and express it in the form of prime factors. We did some similar questions in the last class, not in the last class, today itself. So try to do that.
done.
Okay, again I'm telling like Santa, I don't know whether you are there or not. I don't know, like if you are facing still some issues, it would be better if you are trying to rejoin. The thing is only 5 more minutes is there. Okay, so what's the answer for this? Tell me what are the prime factors, everything. 2500, how we can prime factorize it?
By 2,
Okay,
you'll get 1250.
okay,
And again by 2, you'll get
okay.
625.
Mm-hmm.
Then again by 5,
Hmm.
you'll get 125. Then again 5,
Okay. Hmm.
you'll get by 25. Then 5
Okay.
again, get 5.
Hmm. Okay.
Then 1. So
Okay.
2 cube into 5 raised to 4.
Is it 2 cube or 2 square? Only two twos are there,
Sorry,
no?
so
And
2,
four
yeah, 2
fives.
square. 2 square.
2 square into 5 raised to 4 will be the answer. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we can move on to another question now. You can unmute. I mean, you can mute because some sort of that noise is still there. Yeah, now it went. Okay, so let me give you another question now. Okay, express 1080 in terms of prime factors. In terms of prime factors. Do the question and tell me what answer you are getting.
I'm done.
Okay, what's the answer that you are getting?
So should I say it out? We should do it.
Yeah, let's do it. 1080.
By 2, you'll get 540.
Okay.
Then again, you do it by 2, you'll get 270.
Okay.
Then again, you'll do it by 2, you'll get 135.
Okay.
Then 3, you will get 45. By 3, if you do, you'll
Okay.
get 45. Then again,
Okay.
by 3, if you do, you'll get 15.
Okay.
Then again, by 3, if you do, you'll get 5. 5.
Okay.
Then by 5, you do, you'll get 1. So
Okay.
2 raised to cube into 3 raised to 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 raised to 1.
2 cube into 3 cube into 5 raised to 1.
5 raised
Very good.
to 1.
Okay, so yes, that's it. So yes, Joanna and Sancta, anyone having any doubt in any of the questions, concepts or anything that we have discussed in today's session?
No. Will this be centered in like notes or something?
Capsule notes you will get for the chapter and exam support material, everything you will get. The PPT won't be sending.
Okay.
Okay then, that's it. That's all about today's session. Bye. See you in the next class and good night. Study and come for the next class. Bye. Good night. Bye bye.